Long time ago in Amritsar, though the Babel Bible says, Shakuntala's boy child, Kuldeep Jain, was born on New Year's Eve. Hark the hills, the angels sing, Akul Kuldeep was born today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dadu. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
गोलगप्पे पापड़ी चाट मक्की दी रोटी सरसों दा साग हमारे प्यारे नानू को सब है ये पसंद आज है उनका जन्मदिन हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू 祝你生日快乐祝你生日快乐祝你生日快乐祝你生日快乐
Happy birthday!
नमस्ते नाना श्री। एक छोटी चिड़िया ने मुझे बताया कि आज आपका 70वां जन्मदिन है। हमारी तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकें। आप हमेशा हमें बहुत मस्ती करवाते हैं जब भी हम भारत की यात्रा करते हैं और कभी कभी अपना काम भी छोड़कर हमें खाना खाते हुए दूरदर्शन यंत्र पर मोटू पतलू देखने देते हैं। आप हमारे साथ भी बैठकर देखते हैं। मुझे हमेशा याद आती है जो आप हर सुबह अपनी ठंडी कॉफी हमें पिलाते हैं और उसमें चुपचाप थोड़ी सी आइसक्रीम भी डाल देते हैं। आशा हो कि आपकी दिमाग की बत्ती हमेशा जलती रहे और आपको कभी खाली पेट एक गणित की परीक्षा नहीं लेनी हो। जन्मदिन मुबारक हो। नमस्ते।
Hello Nanu, you have taught me so much, cleared so many problems in questions, and you also taught me how to calculate time. And according to the time, it is the 31st of December. And if it is the 31st of December, how can we forget to wish you a very, very happy 70th birthday? May God bless you. Have a best day and a good year ahead. I have also written a poem for you. Let me recite it. What a savior you are. You watch the news every day. The reporter says enrich immunity. So you decide each day to give us your fruity bowls. With citrusy love you squeeze your lemon. That on consumption runs away the COVID demon. That day only you think to give us your immunity booster juices later 1 hour. What a form of a savior you are. Join this class, join that class. Chore company, fraud company. Online courses for mathematics come out to be fraud. But I was lucky enough that more than a teacher you taught. The tool which we use to calculate 31st of December, you taught me how to calculate a year, a day and an hour. What a form of a savior you are. Thank you so much Nanu, and in the end I would just want to announce that it's party time. And also I want to specially mention that I love your tummy a lot, and right now I am coming to squeeze your tummy and hug you. Bye.
birthday, Chote Daji.
Happy birthday, Kuldeep Dadu. We love you.
Wish you a very happy 70th birthday, Uncle. Wish you lots and lots of love, laughter, happiness, good health, and 70 flavors of ice cream. Hope we get to spend and binge watch old movies again while eating ice creams directly from the can. Wish you a very happy birthday again, and come to New York and Boston soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy New Year. Happy
And
birthday.
Merry Christmas.
A very happy special 70th birthday, dear Jijaji. 3 words which come to my mind if I think about you is cute, chubby and cool. Very warm and friendly, always smiling and fun to interact with. Not to miss, the love and affection you put in the cold coffee says it all. Have an amazing day. Love you.
A very happy birthday to you, Jijaji. I have so many fond memories of growing up with you. I have always seen you very calm and composed. I have spent so many nights as a child at your place playing and enjoying with Shruti, Riddhi and Punnu. You have been fond of good food and have always been very warm and welcoming and stuffing us with lovely food that Bhua would cook for all of us. I have enjoyed and loved every moment I have spent growing up with all of you. Love you, Jiaji. A very happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Have a safe and a healthy year ahead.
Uncle, you are like an extended family to both of us, and we always look forward to spending good times with you and Auntie.
Uncle, your attention to detailing and knack for going deep into things are qualities which I really admire and would like to imbibe. Have a safe and a healthy year ahead.
Enjoy your day, Uncle. Thank you. Bye.
हैप्पी 29th बर्थडे अंकल. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर. अगर कोरोना नहीं होता तो अभी साथ में बैठ के हम लोग खाना खा रहे होते. एंड मेरी फेवरेट मेमोरी है आपके साथ डिबेटिंग मोदी ने अच्छा किया या देश का बुरा किया. तो आई डेफिनेटली मिस आवर पॉलिटिक्स कॉन्वर्सेशन. मुझे पता है आपको भी पॉलिटिक्स में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है और मुझे भी उतना ही इंटरेस्ट है. पुनीत को तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. तो जल्दी से मिलेंगे. यू सेलिब्रेट योर 29th बर्थडे. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. यू हैव अ वेरी हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी लाइफ.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Wish you a great year ahead. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Gopa Chacha. Happy birthday from all of us. Happy 70th. Best wishes.
Happy birthday, Chacha.
Happy 70th birthday, Gopa Chacha. Wish you good health and happiness in the years to come from all of us. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Master Ji. Happy 70th birthday, actually. Wishing you the very best from all of us, and hopefully a lot more to come. And we can, unfortunately, we are not there, but all our wishes are with you. Hopefully Masi will make a lot of nice food and you will enjoy it. It's been a long time, I know, since we've met you. Last time we came was 2012 and just had a brief time with you, but over the years it's been a long journey, and and there's so many memories built around there, which never leave and still make us smile. For example, the dog horn, and the tale you told us, like how the kids had switched it to the dog horn, and you had kind of done just around the school or some college, and the girls kind of started swearing around, or those tales. And I still one of the most funniest ones which I still remember, and I'll never forget, was when you guys moved down to at 590, and because I used to go running in the morning, and the first morning I came down at 5, and suddenly I hear this loud rumbling noise like a motor, and I'm like, what's going on? And couldn't figure out. Then finally I realized that it was you snoring, and it was just like I think I couldn't even run that day properly because I just kept on laughing about it. Me trying to search in the dark, okay, where the noise was. But yeah, no, it's been awesome. Wish we could have been there, but hopefully we can have maybe a Zoom meeting, birthday celebration. That would be nice, and also to catch up with everybody. But have a very happy birthday, and hopefully we'll get to see you cutting the cake. Bye.
Hello, Master Ji. Happy birthday, and hope you have a great day today. Wishing you all the best in your coming years, and just wanted to say that I remember you a lot when we used to come over, or you used to come over to our place, and Daddy and you used to sleep on the same bed, and your fingers used to go on your lap with some calculation. We never knew what you were doing. So it's a memory I have from my past years, which I feel that I wanted to tell you and I can never forget. Though you were in the room and never very much talking, we liked your presence and we appreciated everything. Your grandchild is really a lucky one to have you around, and hope you both enjoy each other's company equally well. Don't know much more to say. Bye and enjoy.
Happy birthday, Master Ji. 70-year-old. Master Ji, I guess it's an opportunity also to talk about you. Shruti has asked us to say a little thing what we know about you. So I'll take this opportunity. Master Ji, you are one of the most quiet person who is always observing everything around himself. And that, of course, brings a lot of wisdom. I guess we didn't get the opportunity to hear your wisdom out. I hope we'll see you soon, where you can share pulse of your wisdom with us. Other thing, I have really fond memory of you coming to our home in Calgary and playing the washer toss in our backyard. That was loads of fun. We all had good time. So that will always remain with me for the rest of our life. Thank you for visiting us. It was so much fun having you over.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मासी जी। अब भी ऐसे नहीं लग रहा कि आप 70 के हो गए हो। अभी भी मुझे वो दिन याद है जब हम आते जाते छोटे छोटे थे और आते जाते आपके घर फटाफट अंदर आ जाते थे मासी से मिलने, जब नई नई शादी हुई थी, और फिर जब श्रुति हुई थी उनसे खेलने, उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने, और हमेशा आपकी छोटी सी वेलकमिंग स्माइल ज़रूर होती थी। वो ऑलवेज वेलकमिंग। तो कभी भी हमें हिचकिचाहट नहीं होती थी आने में। तो वो दिन याद हैं, और अभी भी आपकी वो सेम स्माइल है, सेम वेलकमिंग नेचर है। और खैर जब आप हमारे पास आए तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। इट वाज बहुत बहुत इन्जॉय किया सबके साथ। और आपका भी दूसरा मतलब रेस्टफुल, पीसफुल, वेयर यू डोंट हैव एनी वरीज, नथिंग, वो देख के भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। आपको एंजॉय करते हुए देखा, खेलते हुए देखा, वो सब बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया। सो वील ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट, एंड वी होप यू हैव अ वंडरफुल, लॉन्ग, हैप्पी, हेल्दी life together with Masi, and always stay healthy and happy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gopa Chacha. Have a great year and a great day today. Have a great year ahead, and thank you so much for the love you've given us for so many years, and the fondest memories when you spent few days with us. Really loved it and wish it would happen again. And on this day also, a very happy 2021. Great wishes from us.
Happy birthday. Have a great 70th and a happy 2021. Love you.
Bye.
हेलो जीजा जी। जब से हम आपको जानते हैं वी हैव ऑलवेज फाउंड यू स्माइलिंग, ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल, विलिंग टू लेंड अ हेल्पिंग हैंड कहीं भी हम हों। यू आर अ चार्मिंग पर्सनैलिटी।
Very intelligent, good businessman, good human. We have always felt very cozy in your company, always ready to help others, make comfortable other people, and happy always in the family get togethers, doesn't avoid any relatives.
और आपने सबसे बड़ा हमें गिफ्ट दिया, हमारी छोटी बहू महक, वो आपके द्वारा ही हमारे फैमिली में आई। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट एंड वी विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी लॉन्ग हेल्दी लाइफ अहेड।
And may you live for many, many more years with your family, with happiness and healthy life. We love you, Jijai. You are a very caring person and a good person.
Hello Kuldeep Jija ji. Wishing you a very very happy birthday. You are a very calm, composed and a cheerful person. And so is our sister Pankaj. It seems you are made for each other. Our heartiest congratulations and we wish you and your family a very very prosperous new year 2021.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे कुलदीप जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। कुलदीप जी आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Hello Jain Saab, happy birthday. We couldn't meet this year because of Corona, but hope to meet you next year. I still remember your those shots which are really marvelous, so powerful and absolutely in the right direction, just like a bullet. And you're so what I call it humbling nature that you what I say help even your opponents how to play a good shot. This is really remarkable. Thank you and let us hope we meet next year. Namaste.
A special song for your special day. इस बारी सारी मेरी फिक्र तेरे आगे आगे हारी यारी तेरी यारी चल माना वारी। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Well, let me go little past time with our family at Amritsar when we were all together with our grandparents and parents. Those days are unforgettable. We used to fly kites and play crickets, which was our main hobby. Street foods were very popular, especially Amritsari kulchas and halwa puris, which we enjoyed at Amritsar. Our parents' town at Amritsar, we had many other activities, and living together was a great fun. Those memories are priceless as compared to our life in Delhi. Again, wishing you a very, very happy birthday and healthy life. Stay safe. All the best to you. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.
Happy birthday, Kuldeep. It's your 70th happy birthday. God bless you. बहुत लंबी उम्र हो और हमें भी केक खिलाओ और तुम भी खूब खाओ. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Wishing you a very, very, very happy 70th. May you always be blessed with the best of health and love always.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਜੀ 70th ਬਰਥਡੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਹੋਵੇ ਮੈਨੀ ਮੈਨੀ ਹੈਪੀ ਰਿਟਰਨਸ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਡੇ ਹੈਪੀ 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 ਬਰਥਡੇ तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000 ओ तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000 हर दिन ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਹਰ ਦਿਨ ਨਵੀਂ ਨਵੀਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਆਏ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਹੀ ਵਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਔਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਠੀਕ ਰਹੇ
Sir, many, many happy returns of the day. Happy, happy 70th birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Please enjoy your day. Have a good day. Thank you.
Hi, Kuldeep ji. I have written a short message for your happy birthday. Celebrate your birthday exactly like you have lived the last 70 years with joy, wonder and contentment. Happy 70th birthday. I do remember when we were together in Singapore, we went lot of places like Marina Bay Sands, then we went to Macritchie and many more places. And I look forward whenever you get chance to come to Singapore, please come and join us for other memories.
Hello Jija ji.
Hello Gape, wish you a very, very happy birthday. How time flies, right? See,
बच्चों को देखो तो पता लगता है कि हम बड़े हुए.
Right, absolutely right. And this is an opportunity that we have got to share our beautiful memories with you. And
Wonderful memories.
Yeah, and
your smile, so endearing to everyone.
Every time. And I remember Masi ji and everybody used to say, we call him Gop because he doesn't talk much. And also then we gradually realized when you used to go to Amritsar, though you were very rarely there in our holidays because you were mainly in Chandigarh for your studies. But then gradually we realized that really you never laughed wholeheartedly. Like we laughed so loudly at the biggest joke.
ਖੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਕਦੀ.
Biggest joke you would give.
joke ਹੋਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ smile ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ.
And then a very, very sweet smile and a big smile. That smile will always.
And your wonderful coffee, the most tasty in town.
Yeah, but your smile will always be in our hearts. And being a sister, I'll say you are the best brother anyone can have, and always caring. Whenever you come to your house, along with Bhabhi, both of you, the amount of pampering you do with us, and have this, have that, and no, and we also, if by chance you may forget, but you never do, we always say, Guapa, you forgot, we had to have coffee with you. So, and you, the coffee which is made mainly by you. So we stay blessed and always be happy and healthy
And prosperous.
And prosperous. And IB said he wanted to say a few words before he left for London and how he was your friend. He was talking to me.
Before I left for London, I became quite a good friend with you. We used to go for evening walks together. Then I moved on to London for my studies in the college, and you got married. When I came back, you were my Jija already.
So these are beautiful memories
Wonderful
anyway.
memories.
It shall always remain, and we always wish the best for you and the best
And
anyone
those-
can get in life.
And those holidays we spent together, going in the mountains together with the families.
Yeah.
It was so great.
Right. So wishing you all the best for the future.
God bless.
God bless you. Bye bye.
Have a great one.
Happy 70th birthday, Guapa, to you. Stay happy, healthy and safe. God bless you.
कुलदीप जी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे 70 साल के हो गए आगे जियो हजारों साल और 40 साल से हम लोग आपस में मिल रहे हैं पीछे ऐसे लगता है कि अभी कल ही की बात है और कितना अच्छा टाइम हमने कलिंदी में फरीदाबाद में साथ साथ बिताया इसीलिए अब 2020 आपका बर्थडे और 2020 का जाना साथ साथ लगता है शुभ होगा 2020 भी जाएगा और आगे जो है अच्छा ही अच्छा होगा विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन
गुआप्पा मुझे कुछ बातें याद आ रही हैं जब आप चंडीगढ़ में थे हॉस्टल में और आप अमृतसर आते थे तो आपको आलू का कुलचा बड़ा अच्छा लगता था और आप साथ में कुलचा वगैरह बनवाने जाते थे और बहुत इंजॉय करते थे प्याज आलू का कुलचा और काइट्स उड़ाना भी आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता था तो हमने अमृतसर में बहुत इंजॉय किया है साथ में
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा जी
Wish you happy 70th birthday, Mama ji.
थैंक यू
भाई साहब नमस्कार आज आपका 70वां जन्मदिन है इस अवसर पर हम सबकी ओर से बहुत बहुत बधाई बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई साहब इस अवसर पर पुष्पा जी कुछ कहेंगी आपसे 2 लाइन
जीवन के रास्ते हमेशा रहे गुलजार आपके चेहरे पर सदा ही रहे मुस्कान जीवन के रास्ते हमेशा रहे गुलजार आपके चेहरे पर सदा ही रहे मुस्कान देता है दिल ये दुआ आपको जिंदगी में आपकी हर दिन रहे खुशियों की बहार
भाई साहब हम अपने आप को सब लोग बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझते हैं कि हमें आप जैसे परिवार मिला इतना सरल और प्यारा परिवार मिला परिवार के हर सदस्य चाहे वो बच्चे हो चाहे एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली के मेंबर्स हो हर एक से इतना प्यार और सम्मान मिला जो हमारे दिल के बहुत करीब है और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है पिछले साल यूएसए में हमने आपके साथ कुछ समय बिताया और हमें उसका हर पल याद है कैसे हम लोग इकट्ठे खाना बनता था कैसे खाना खाते थे कैसे घूमने जाते थे कैसे बिलियर्ड्स खेलने जाते थे कैसे शॉपिंग करते थे और हम आशा करते हैं कि दोबारा से हमें ये मौका मिलेगा आपके साथ रहने का हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा और बहुत मजा आया हम लोगों को ईश्वर से हमारी यही प्रार्थना है कि आपका जन्मदिन आए 1000 बार और हम आपको ऐसे ही बधाई देते रहें हर साल बार बार विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई साहब
A very, very happy 70th birthday to you, Papa. Today, I want to say thank you to you. These are two very simple but very, very deep words. I was just sitting back and trying to think what all you have done for us, and there was no end. I could just not stop thinking of all the things that you have done for all of us. You are a very, very warm, kind hearted, thoughtful person who's very, very caring, and your effortless dedication and care of love towards all of us is never ending. दो आप बहुत ज़्यादा बोलते नहीं हो, आप बहुत वोकल नहीं हो, बट वी ऑल नो हाउ मच you love all of us, and we all love you too. Today is a very, very special day, and it's a pleasure that we have got this opportunity to express all this to you. Being your pampered daughter, I always remember how you used to pamper me so much. Whenever I wanted something, how I used to keep pulling your fingers, and then you used to give in. And every time after doing this, I remember Mama saying, "Bigaad do tusi." And this is a very, very cherishable memory, and I always remember and tell everyone that how you used to pamper me. One regret I definitely have, that I wish I had studied maths nicely from you. आप मेरे कान नहीं खींचते ज़्यादा, तो मैं better maths पढ़ती, but definitely I am very, very happy that Arhan is learning the same from you, and he loves studying maths from you. You are a very, very strong pillar, and you have built a great foundation for all three of us, for Riddhi, Punu and me, and we are very, very thankful for all that you have done for us. Wish you a very happy birthday again. Thank you so much. Have a great day and a year ahead.
Hi Papa, wish you a very, very happy 70th birthday. May God bless you with all the happiness that you deserve in life. What can I say for you as a person on this very, very special day of yours? A person who is so contented from life, so polite, so soft spoken, a person with no grudges from anyone. It's a very rare combination of so many qualities in one single person, Papa. My 16 years of this special bond with you is actually my strength. We are lucky to have you all around us every time. Your tremendous support, your lessons, your valuable inputs in our day-to-day discussions mean a lot to me. I wish to the Almighty to make a very big package of all the happiness and shower on you on this very special day of yours. I wish you a very, very happy birthday once again. Stay blessed. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, Papa Ji. Happy 70th birthday. There's a lot to thank you for. I will try to recall some snippets and try to be thankful to you with those snippets. Firstly, thank you for your daughter. She's been a wonderful wife so far and a wonderful mother. Secondly, thank you for sending Mummy Ji over when my kids were born. This was so helpful to have her here, and we really are grateful for that. The next thing I want to tell you is about food. Papaji, you've left a deep mark on me with regards to so many foods. I've enjoyed your cold coffee in the middle of the night. I remember once I had food poisoning and you got me Limca to hydrate. Even though I was still vomiting, this made a big difference because the vomit tasted better. I felt so much less miserable straight away. On that same trip, on the way back, I wanted to pack some mangoes and take them back. We spent about half an hour packing the mangoes to make sure that they would not get crushed, and they made them back to Singapore safe and sound, and we enjoyed them there that night. On my last trip to India, I really enjoyed all the paneer that you bought. We went specially to the market to replenish the paneer every time it ran out, and I had paneer toast almost every day. Oh my god, that was the best paneer I've ever had, and you made it sure that there was more than enough paneer in the fridge so that I could enjoy it throughout my entire trip. Papaji, you're a righteous man. You are an inspiration to us for how to be good and how to forgive. You're a living inspiration. Here's to many more years of inspiring us and teaching us how to do the right thing. And I hope you can come to Singapore soon, and we will try to make many more food memories too. Happy birthday. All the best. Okay, come on. Camera, lights, action. Out of the stage, come on.
Mic, please. Mic for you, ma'am. Thank you.
Start.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to tonight's live show on all TVs, the Faridabad Show.
Pum pum pa pa pum pum pa pa pum pum pa pa pum.
Tonight, it is going to be a very special occasion. Kuldeep Jain is turning 70. Here we have his daughter, Riddhi Jain, and we're going to be interviewing her about her father. Was your father very fierce to you when you were a small child?
No, he wasn't fierce. He would say, "Ek ulte hath da thappad lagawanga," but that hand never went forward from here. And then we knew that he's saying that, but he will never get a slap.
During your school years, did your father teach you any subject?
Yeah, he used to teach me maths, and if I did not know an answer, then he would pull my ear like this. If I did not understand anything, then I would complain, "Aapne kaan khich diye, sab kuch to bahar nikal gaya. How will I remember?" That is why I can't remember things. And then he used to ask me to write down all the answers after my maths exam, and then he would check the answers immediately before I could have my lunch, and he would tell me my marks. And then if one day, or for one exam, if I forgot to write down the answers next to my question in the question paper, then he would make me do the whole paper again. Just write the answers and come back, so that he can tell me how many marks. And yeah, he also, at times, we used to have art homework. So if we had to make hills and heart and stuff, so he used to ask us to take a ruler and make the mountains, to make the hut, to make the river. So it was more of an engineering art homework than our art homework. But it was fun.
What do you know about your father from before you were born?
Okay, so according to the photos, he still is a very good billiards player. He loves playing billiard. He loves to find logic in everything, or answer has to be a logical answer. Then from before marriage, from what I've heard, he was a very quiet child and did not trouble his parents much. And as far as I know, I don't think he had any girlfriends in his engineering, because I think from what I've heard from him, there was only 1 or 2 girls in the whole batch. So I think, yeah, he was a very quiet child.
Was he ever naughty?
As a child?
Yeah.
I don't know. You'll have to ask his brothers.
What is your father's most annoying trait?
Most annoying trait. Most annoying trait. That we'll have to ask his wife. Let's ask his wife.
What trait of your father's do you look up to most?
Many, quite a few actually, but I think patience and the ability to forget or forgive people. Not forget, forgive people, I think. Yeah, that's a very important trait, I think.
What is your father's one greatest skill?
One greatest skill. One. There are many. One greatest skill is, to be alert even when he's asleep. To do calculations in sleep. To listen to everything that's going around him even when his eyes are closed. I think that's a very important skill.
If your father's hungry at 10 p.m., what will we eat?
What will we eat? Or
What will he eat?
Oh, I think instead of 10 p.m., right, let's make it 4 a.m. Because I think every day he wakes up at about 4 a.m. He's hungry. Then I think he will wake his wife up. Then he will go to the kitchen, bring something to eat, make tea. After that, he will just go back and sleep. And his wife will be awake after that.
What do you think he will take from the kitchen to eat?
Now, these days, I'm not very sure, but I think he's very fond of Haldiram Bhujia. He's fond of rusk. He's fond of tea. Actually, he started making tea now on his own, past many years. And he'll wake his wife up to ask what is there to eat, even though he would have taken everything in his plate. But he just needs company.
If your father has decided to take your mother on a date, where would he take her to?
I think that South Indian guy, Dosawala, near Chomit Mamu's house. I think these days is his favorite place. At least last year it was his favorite place. So I think,
What? And lastly, what is your father's favorite line?
My father's favorite line when I was a kid, I think it was, "My badi kuppi phone leti hai tusi log ki nahi?" Can't hear me, what you're saying.
When would he use this phrase?
No.
Happy birthday, Papa!
Happy birthday, happy 70th birthday, Papa. I wish you all the love, happiness, good health. We are proud of you. I'm really proud of you that aap mere father-in-law hai. You have been the bestest ever. You have given me more love and care than anyone and any daughter can ever imagine. I'm sorry, Riddhi Di and Shruti Di, but I think he loves me more. So I'm really sorry about that. But सच यही है कि वो मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं. वो कुछ बोलते नहीं हैं, पर उनकी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मुझे हमेशा यही याद दिलाती हैं कि वो बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे को प्यार करते हैं, मेरा ध्यान रखते हैं, हर छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए मेरे को याद करते हैं. So thank you so much for all the love. Wish you a great life ahead. And I wish कि आप जल्दी जल्दी US आएं, हम आपके साथ खूब घूमें और खूब मस्ती करें. Wish you a very 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 happy 70th birthday.
A very happy 70th birthday, Papa. We all have been very, very lucky to have you as our father. There have been numerous things that I can speak about right now that we've got from you. I've been really lucky. Like I would say my mental aptitude, my maths ability, my motivation to do anything and everything, to always keep fighting, never give up, always analyze a situation and see what is the right thing to do. I have always gotten this thing from you to never give up. I think that's the biggest thing. I think you and Mama, both of you have given up your entire life for your children. We are very lucky, very extremely lucky to have you as our parents. Whatever we may do, whatever we may say, we will never ever be able to thank you enough, come anything close to what you have done for us. There are so many memories right from my childhood, starting from my maths exams where I had to solve everything after coming back, from getting the anniversary bars or 100 rupees for all highest marks or full marks in class, getting that cricket set from Jalandhar, which I'm still waiting for. And from there on, I remember the first time I wanted to drive on a highway. Things like you first need to practice on a highway to drive on a highway, and I didn't know how I would do that. So being protective of us, giving us the right things, giving us the right spirit for everything, making sure we are eating the best food, eating healthy food, we are enjoying all the moments together. We may not have had all the luxuries, but I think whatever you have given us are more than luxuries. The values, I just can go on and on and on. And I think we just love you for that. And even till date, I cannot take a decision without consulting you, without making sure you are fine with it, getting your advice. So that is how much confidence I have in you. And I think that is something that I will always get the confidence from you. So very, very, very lucky. And I just can't express what all I have gotten from you, and I continue to get from you. So thank you so much. Have a very happy birthday and wish you a great and happy life ahead.
Absolutely. पापा, मैं एक चीज और बोलना चाहती हूँ कि there's one thing which I really feel कि मतलब out of many things there's one thing which I definitely feel जो मुझे आपसे सीखनी है, और वो है patience. I think अब जब रियाना आई है तो हमें समझ आता है कि ये वर्ड के मायने और ज़्यादा बढ़ गए हैं हमारे लिए, और मेरे को पता है कि ये चीज़ और जो क्वालिटी आपके अंदर है वो किसी के अंदर भी नहीं है. आपने ज़िंदगी में इतना कुछ देखा है, मगर आपके पास जो वो स्माइल है और आप उसको इतनी आसानी से फॉरगेट कर सकते हैं, या आपको वो चीज़ इतनी बॉदर नहीं करती, एटलीस्ट हमें बताते नहीं हो आप. तो वो जो स्माइल रहती है, आप जिससे मिलते हो सबको आप इतने अच्छे से ग्रीट करते हो, इतना रिस्पेक्ट देते हो इन स्पाइट ऑफ एवरीथिंग विच हैज हैपेंड. आई थिंक ये हमारी जनरेशन है जिसको ये सीखना चाहिए. और हमको कुछ भी होता है, हम थोड़ी देर में हमें गुस्सा आ जाता है या कुछ आ जाता है. आई थिंक देयर इज सो मच वी हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू टू बी पेशेंट इन लाइफ, to let go of things, and we're really proud of what you have done and achieved in this life. We're really proud to call you our parents, to call you our father, and I wish कि आप ऐसे ही खुश रहें, ऐसे ही स्वस्थ रहें और हमसे मिलते रहें जल्दी जल्दी. Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa. One more thing I forgot and I have to tell you. I think the business acumen for sure, which I don't think I would have ever gotten that. And I think the second and the most important thing in life is just give with both of your hands and don't expect anything back. I think that is one of the biggest things that I've learned from you. Even till date, I think what you want to do is just give. So I salute you for that. I think that's a great attitude to have. That is something that I seldom see anyone do. So really something to learn from you. And I think there are so many things that I can just keep talking about, keep speaking. I don't know where to stop, but I think a very happy birthday to you. And just like we've learned all our lives, I would just say I will just continue to learn from you and grow as a human being and develop in a better human being. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Papa. Happy
birthday.
पिज्जा खाना है पापा, पिज्जा खाने नरला चलते हैं. पापा कहते हैं मैं बड़ी कुप्पी फोन ली मैं बड़ी कुप्पी फोन लीती है तुसी लोग की पिज्जा खा के की है मैं ही ते है माय